Happy Saturday, fam. I am running to the gas station to meet a customer to give him a shirt, the one that I did last night that I've been dreading doing. So I'm going to meet them, and I just about got my personal chores done. Had to move a bunch of dirt. So that's all done, and once I get my other chores done, then I'll be back in the office. Gotta finish doing those heat transfers and then just check up on kind of the task list of the week to make sure I haven't forgotten anything. So let's get going and let's have some fun. So I'm here in the garage.
Here in my garage.
I've got the keencut set up, and I realized I broke my own rule. Let me show you. So this banner is 10 feet long, and I bought the keencut that is, I think, 100 inches? Yeah, 100-inch keencut, so that I would in-house do a max of 8-foot banners. But luckily, I was able to trim just a little bit off here so that I'll just run it through twice. But frustrating to myself, because I told myself, we'll only do 4x8s, and I completely forgot and printed this 10-foot banner. So we'll get it cut and put some grommets in it and go from there. All right, guys, I've got some more of my home projects done, and since I was out and about, I thought that I would stop by the P.O. box. So let's see if we have something. I should have something, at least from Sanmar, because I ordered some shirts and I had them delivered here because it's cheaper. Oh no, one box doesn't fit. Who's that from? FedEx. What was coming from FedEx? I don't know. Guess we'll find out Monday. All right, let's check to see what box is here. There's someone else in the building. He looked at me funny. Anyway, I've got a package from Amazon, which is likely some tech products for me to review for my other channel. They should be some solar lights. I'm not sure why the company reached out and wanted to have me review them, since I do like security cameras and computer crap, but I built a shed in the backyard and there's no lights on it, so that in fact is what it is. So if you want to see that review when it comes out, make sure you subscribe to my other channel,
Darren's other channel, where you can expect the same kind of editing quality you see here, because I edit there also.
So, and this is the bag of shirts. Looks like I've got some spam mail, and then this feels like my name badge for BNI. It says it's from BNI, so it's gotta be what it is. So I'm really curious at what came via FedEx though, because I don't remember shipping anything else here. So, but like I've said before, having a P.O. box saves you money. So let's get back home, get those heat transfers done. This is much more flattering angle of my double chin. My eye's doing better though. All right, everyone, welcome to the garage. As I've been saying, I've been looking at buying a printer, and I haven't decided for sure which printer I'm buying, but what I'm gonna do is, you can see my office is this little room right here. Our garage was supposed to be double deep for the one car, and so what I'm gonna do is right here at this wall, we're gonna build a wall across. So we're gonna separate our 2-car garage from our 1-car garage, and I'm going to expand my office to be the whole capacity of the 1-car garage. So rather than building a shop, I'm just gonna build this wall. That way it will be a lot less expensive and will allow me to expand faster and better at a more reasonable price. So kind of my project over the next little bit is to clean up all the storage stuff that we've just been keeping in here, since we don't have the need for actually putting a car in here. So we're gonna get it cleaned out and move the office here. So I'm gonna get in the office, do a little bit of heat transfer, and then I'm gonna go to bed. All right, bam, I'm gonna call it a night. I was able to finish those pre-spaced numbers, so I've got that done. It's about 1 o'clock right now. I do have half of the silver order that I can still do, but I'm gonna wait until Monday to do that. I am tired and gotta get up early tomorrow. Can you see me? I thought I'd show you how the grommet press works. You use a bottom washer and then the top grommet. You put the grommet up in here, then the bottom washer goes here. Then you take the banner, put it in, and that's it. All done. Just to recap, got a bunch of vinyl done, got a bunch of house chores done. I'm thankful that it's Saturday and tomorrow is Sunday, so I can relax a little bit. I do have some shirts that I need to embroider as well, so I'll probably do that Monday and then just catch up on a few other things. So have a great day. You guys are gonna watch this not on the weekend, but I hope you had a great weekend. Thanks Cam for editing the video, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I think that's it, so have a good one.